we were unfortunately when we were working together, we were made to be rivals.
My husband always said, he says, Rati, you're a big fool to stop acting. He says, do we men stop working after we get married? We don't. So why do women have this notion that they have to stop working when they get married? I'm not saying like a Prem Rog kind of film, but I'm saying the typical what we did a part of it. Maybe you haven't done as much of those kind of roles as I have, but running around trees and romancing with the heroes. Would you be comfortable in it?
I think even if I was comfortable with it, my son would come and slap me on my face.
Okay.
Rati, I'm very glad to welcome you. सिर्फ लहरे पर नहीं बल्कि हमारी इस खूबसूरत इंडस्ट्री में एक बार फिर कितने साल बाद आज हम इकट्ठे कैमरे के सामने मिल रहे हैं.
First, let me thank you, Padmini. 15 साल के बाद. 15 साल के बाद.
Long time.
We said the same thing.
Yes. अच्छा बताइए कि 15 साल बाद ऐसी कौन सी खास बात थी जिससे आपने हाँ कर दी?
ऐसी कौन सी बात? I don't know ऐसी कौन सी बात थी, but out of the blue Rahul came over and he just said कि मैं ये पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ and it's a take off on Parent Trap and I would be happy if you would do it. तो मैंने कहा okay ठीक है मैं कर लूँगी. तो ही से बस यूं ही कर लूँगी. ऐसा हाँ मैं कर लूँगी यूं ही.
अच्छा ऐसे बस मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा अगर सोचा जाए तो बात नहीं बनती.
Yeah, exactly.
है ना?
So I think you have to be spontaneous about it and that's it.
और इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ बताइए. फिल्म का नाम क्या है और कौन है?
फिल्म का नाम है खट्टा मीठा.
अच्छा.
It's starring Kajol, Rishi Kapoor, Sunil Shetty, myself and Pooja Batra and a few other character artists. It's take-off on Parent Trap. It's not a remake, it's a take-off on Parent Trap. And Kajol is playing a Jurva character, like twins. We are parents, Rishi Kapoor and me are parents to Kajol. And मतलब 22 साल पहले, we have a breakup and we split. तो बस.
And it's all fun and frolic.
Has to be. For me, it has to be.
If it's khatta meetha, it has to be fun and frolic.
And for me, working again has to be fun and frolic.
That's true. And you're paired with Chintu.
Rishi Kapoor.
Now, after 15 years, I'm sure आप मिले होंगे इस बीच, but उनके साथ काम करने में कैसा लगा आपको? 15 साल बाद.
Our last film together was Tavaif. It was my last film in the industry. It was with Rishi Kapoor. And 15 साल बाद मेरी पहली फिल्म इनके साथ है.
That's wonderful.
So it's ironical. And in fact, the last day I ever shot, 15 साल पहले, was for a film with, I was supposed to originally do it with Ketan Desai, Allah Rakha. Chintu was in it. And अचानक मेरी शादी हो गई and this and that, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं अभी फिल्में नहीं करूँगी and एंड तो केतन ने कहा कि रति प्लीज एक दिन का गेस्ट अपीयरेंस आप कर लेना. तो आई सेड ओके फाइन मैं कर लूंगी. तो द लास्ट डे आई एवर शॉट वाज विद अगेन ऋषि कपूर. इट्स आयरॉनिक, लाइक आई सेड इट्स डेस्टिनी. जो किस्मत में है ना बस वही होता है.
दैट्स ट्रू. और 15 साल बाद जब आपको कैमरा के सामने आना पड़ा, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सुना है कि अक्सर जब हीरोइंस फिल्में छोड़ देती हैं तो वो सारी चीजें भूल जाती हैं. और मैंने ये भी सुना कि जब डिम्पल मेड अ कमबैक और उसको जब कैमरा के सामने फेस करना पड़ा तो इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हर टू डू दैट. व्हाट डिड यू थिंक?
दिस आंसर्स टोटली फ्रॉम व्हाट आई फील, बिकॉज जब मैं पहले दिन गई सेट पे एंड इट वाज स्ट्रेंज बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी रिलीजियस पर्सन. My first shot was with Ganeshji. I was doing the aarti and it was just totally like it was not planned. And I was doing the aarti and it was a shot where Pooja Batra and me, we have a little tiff, And after the shot and everything happened and it went off well. And after the shot, everybody said, so how did you feel? So for a moment I'm saying, how did I feel? And I said, felt okay. And after that thought, I said, it makes very boring copy, you know, like, I mean, everybody's waiting and they had a huge cake for me and they cut it and they clapped and they made me feel so, and the welcome was really
you.
warm,
Oh, that's
very, very
wonderful.
warm, and they really made me feel good. And I give them a boring thing, how did it feel? It felt fine, you know? I said, it felt the same. I said, am I supposed to feel different? I said, because once you get back into the movement of filmmaking, onto the rut of filmmaking, it's the same. Like right now we are behind the, you know, we are in front of the camera and we are oblivious of the camera and what's happening. So I think it's the same. Once you, like they say, once an actress, always an actress.
That's true.
So I
That's
think
true. And you were always the glamorous, Rati, ugly Hotri. I mean, are you playing a glamorous mother in this film as well?
Yes, I am.
Acha.
I'm playing a glamorous mother who, I mean, we are estranged parents, so we separate for 20 years, we aren't together. And they have glimpses of flashbacks to establish the whole, you know, all the characters of the film. But then we are estranged for 20 years, and I'm living in the States and he's living in India. He's got one daughter, I've got one daughter. And how these two girls bring us back. And so it's like basically a mom who's been living in the States for 20 years. So my get-up is also very happening.
Oh, can't wait to see it.
Well, it's got shades, all kinds of shades. So it's nice as a comeback for the simple reason, like people say comeback. It's not the boring mother with grey and looking dowdy, and you know, it's...
Why do people say that when actresses give up, you know, when they get married, it's typical. एक्ट्रेस ने शादी कर ली, अब उन्होंने फिल्में छोड़ दी. पर ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जब उनको वापस आना होता है या जब उन्हें फिल्में करनी होती है तो लोगों के दिमाग में एक स्टिग्मा सा होता है कि भाई अब पता नहीं ये एक्ट्रेस चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, एक्सेप्ट. व्हाई डज दिस हैपन?
It happens because trends change, audiences, their wants, their the whole generation changes, and we actresses like who have given up a long time ago, we probably don't like we have left with being glamorous heroines, this and that. So they feel 15 साल बाद शायद मोटी होगी बुड्ढी होगी या कुछ, you know, they cannot relate to us in a new mold. But I feel this is a very wrong notion, because I feel that actresses, you have to graduate with time.
That's true.
Like, I don't think, I mean, if I would ask you, would you be happy, comfortable doing, you know, films like you were doing earlier, in the sense like the young dancing around the, you know, I'm not saying like a Prem Rogue kind of film, but I'm saying the typical, what we did a part of it. Maybe you haven't done as much of those kind of roles as I have, but running around trees and romancing with the heroes, would you be comfortable in it?
I think even if I was comfortable with it, my son would come and slap me on my face.
Okay. So exactly, I think I would not be comfortable about it. I would say, I don't think this is happening for me, you know.
Yeah, that's
so,
true.
And everything else would come later. It would be my decision first. I'm not, I mean, I cannot relate to the character. Like this film I've taken up, and subsequently whatever offers have come by our characters that I definitely relate to.
Okay. And I mean, I'm sure you were offered, you know, in the span of 15 years, आपको काफी offers आई भी होंगी. And you know, considering you were a good actress as well, you were at bit, you know, much earlier than this. Were you ever tempted? मतलब कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि हाय मैंने फिल्में क्यों छोड़ी, या काश, मैं जानती हूँ आपके हस्बैंड हमेशा आपसे ये कहते हैं कि आपको फिल्में नहीं छोड़नी, you know, छोड़नी चाहिए थी.
आपको.
अच्छा, मुझे?
That was for you.
Is it?
And if you remember, we met once at a common friends party. The first time you had met my husband. I'm sorry, I'm going off track, but I have to because I have to correct you. And Anil, my husband, he said, Padmini, and he said, Padmini, he walked up to me and he said, Padmini, you're one girl who should never, never have stopped acting, because you're talent in abundance.
Thanks.
And
that really
I
makes
second
me
that.
feel good.
No, it's not. It's not just a compliment. That's what we owe to you.
Thank you. It makes me feel good.
And we
It
truly
does.
mean it.
Thank you. It really makes me feel
And
good.
I'm sure all the viewers mean it.
Thank you. Well, I'm glad. I'm very happy that people had accepted me as a good actress, and it really makes
You
me
were.
feel
They had to accept you.
Thanks. Okay, now
Okay, wait. But you asking me so many questions. Now I have to turn it
Oh
around
gosh,
and
now
ask
you're
you the
gonna fire
question.
me
You want to know
question.
everything about me. Let me know something about you too.
Okay.
I heard in the last few years, in the last 8-10 years, you married 10-12 years?
12 years, yeah.
You have been receiving a lot of offers. So I'm asking you, why did you stop acting?
Well, I think same goes with you. I think काफी workload हो गया था हमें, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने ये मतलब ये काम छोड़ा. Not that we had, I mean, not that I had any problems with the industry, or not that I had any problems with my work, but I had already made up my mind that once I get married. I'm going to stop working. Yeah. Although after getting married, मुझे कुछ 2-2.5 साल लगे फिल्में.
Okay, it took you, okay,
जो मुझे मतलब पुरानी फिल्में खत्म करने में 2.5 साल लगे. और उसके बाद मैंने ये सोचा अब जाहिर है फैमिली शुरू करनी है.
Yeah, that's true.
Then it just went on. And when you have a small, when you have a small kid, then you're busy with the kid, and there are so many other responsibilities. So these things get
That's
sidetracked.
exactly the reason why I probably wasn't open to it. Was for the same reason as you put forth. Exactly the same. Like you get married, you overworked. Then you get married, then you want to, start a new life, and it's all a new thing which you want to enjoy. And now when you feel everything is well settled and everything is, like your child you can be spared for those many days.
Speaking about that, आपके हस्बैंड को कभी ऐसा लगा जब आपने फिल्में छोड़ी तो ये उनका डिसीजन था या आपका डिसीजन था?
मेरा डिसीजन था. Completely my decision.
अच्छा. और उनको,
in fact, my husband always said, he says, Rati, you're a big fool to stop acting. He says, do we men stop working after we get married? We don't. So why do women have this notion that they have to stop working when they get married?
Actually, being an actress is like being a housewife, I think.
It's a full-time attention,
yes. It is. You can't do both.
There are no half measures.
Yeah, it's not like a 9-to-5 job. Yeah,
That's exactly what I said. I said, see, I give myself 100% to whatever anything I do. And I said, right now, and at this point, at this stage in life, there is nothing like 50% or 80%, I have to either give my 100% to my new life, my family, or 100% to my profession, my work. So at that point, probably that's why I wasn't open to working.
अच्छा, एक और बात जो मेरे दिल में हमेशा या मेरे दिमाग में एक बात खटकती है is you are known as Rati Agnihotri.
Right.
I am known as Padmini Kolhapure. And then it's again professionally. But still, does it somewhere deep down, do you feel ki why am I not called Rati Virvani? Why am I not called Rati Virvani? Do you feel like that?
No, I don't feel like that because I accept that even though I had left the industry for so many years, I was still in people's minds Rati Agnihotri, because wherever I went in a public gathering, it was Agnihotri. People would recognize me as Agnihotri, and I would never probably correct them and say, no, I'm Rati Virvani, because for the simple reason, like professionally, that is what I am, even though I wasn't working. In business circles, in any connection that my husband was involved, I always corrected. I said, I'm sorry, but I'm Rati Virvani. So it
takes a lot of.
It does, really, but I think it's not so hard it's not hard at all on us as it's on our spouses. It's up to them to.
That was my next question. I wanted to ask you. Being married to an actress, आपको क्या लगता है actress को ज़्यादा adjust करना पड़ता है या husband को ज़्यादा?
The spouse always. If you're married to an actor or an actress or anybody who is in the performing industry, it is harder on a spouse, especially. In my case, my husband is a non-film person. He's not connected in any way to the industry, neither is his family. So it's the whole family from his side which has to adjust, accept, and encourage, which Touchwood has been the case with me.
That's wonderful. I think we're quite lucky to have good husbands.
Good families.
That's true.
Padmini, I heard that you are conducting acting classes. So it's very nice. So I need to know more about it.
Well, मेरे एक्टिंग स्कूल, सबसे पहले तो मेरा पहला स्कूल जो था एक्टिंग का वो लंदन में शुरू हुआ. उसके बाद दूसरा स्कूल दिल्ली में शुरू किया मैंने. 2-2.5 साल हुए. और अब मैं मुंबई में भी एक बच्चों की वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट कर रही हूँ. इट्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम 7 to 14 एज ग्रुप. And of course, if your son is interested,
That's
you're
why
you're most welcome to
That's
send
why
your
I asked,
son.
because a friend of mine told me that Padmini is, planning to conduct classes for kids workshops. So that's why I asked you. So I got to know.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, I have a whole lot of boys and girls, teenagers जो मेरे दिल्ली और लंदन स्कूल में
That's
हैं.
lovely.
और उनके लिए मतलब यही कोशिश है कि उनको इस इंडस्ट्री में काम मिले. और उनके लिए मैं एक वेबसाइट भी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ called startalash.com.
Okay.
और उस पे through that they get access all over.
So great. So your talent is not wasted.
I'm trying.
It's being tapped right through.
I'm trying my best because I think मेरे ख्याल से कलाकार की कला जो होती है वो कभी मरती नहीं या खत्म
That's what I
नहीं
said.
होती.
Once an actress, always an actress. You keep that
So,
fire within as always.
You have to, and it's always there. It's just
Yeah.
wanting to. It's like a volcano wanting to erupt. And that's how it is. And I'm just trying to use it to the best of my way or knowledge or whatever in whatever way I can.
That's nice. And I heard that also you were approached by Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar to do a film.
Yes, I was
So why did you turn it
approached
down?
by
Let me
him.
just be straight on. Why did you turn it down?
No, I was approached by him and I was very happy because he's made a brilliant film called Vastav, and Sanju has done a brilliant job, and definitely Sanju has put in a lot of effort. और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि इसमें पूरा जो जिस तरीके से फिल्म बनाई गई है और जिस मेहनत से फिल्म बनी है उसमें मैं टोटल क्रेडिट महेश को देती हूँ because it is an out and out director's film, and I was really happy when I was offered a film by him. I wonder where you got this news from, but still.
I have my sources.
But unfortunately, like I said, with my acting schools and various other activities going on, at that point of time, he wanted to, obviously make this film at one stretch without any
and you
gaps.
couldn't possibly
I
take the
couldn't
time
devote
out.
that much time.
Okay.
And the same goes with you. Like you said, you have to put in your best with whatever you do.
You
whether
have
it's
to.
my acting school or whether
It has to be 100%.
It has to be 100%. And
That's true.
That is the main reason why I turned it down.
So now I'm going to be eagerly awaiting to give you a very warm welcome whenever you do decide.
Thank you, Ratna.
Okay.
It was wonderful, talking to you. And
It was, and more than wonderful talking to each other. I think it's
Thank you.
nice that we can share and go back those many years and share the warmth.
Yes,
That,
definitely. And we were, unfortunately, when we were working
We
together,
were busy working.
we were made to be rivals, unfortunately.
No, but that is
by
part of the
media
industry,
hype
Padmini.
or whatever.
No, that is always part of the industry, because I think we are so busy working, so one doesn't have time to clarify. You just go through the whole thing, and it's not that we were not rivals, because we all were and had our own slots.
Yeah, no, we weren't. That's what
But
I'm
we
trying
were
to say.
made out to
Exactly.
be. It's natural. That is the way any
That's the
glamour
price-
industry.
that's the
You have to
price
pay
an
the
actress
price,
or an
and
actor
that's
has
the
to
way it
pay.
is. But it's so nice that going back those many years, we can still start afresh and still start with that much feeling and regards for
That's true.
colleagues around us.
One last question I want to know. ये जो फिल्म अभी आप कर रही है, is it just a one-off या अभी आप फिल्में करेंगी?
No,
आगे?
I'm going full steam ahead.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
I wish you all the very best. And
It's not going to be a one film. I am going to be taking on many more offers. Right now they're on the discussion stage, so I can't reveal.
Yes, I understand that.
In a week's time, I think I would be wrapping up a few things, and
That's wonderful. I'm sure all your fans and your viewers are awaiting this film, and they're looking forward
Thank
to
you.
seeing you in many more films.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.